Hi, VencoreWeather.com meteorologist Paul Dorian here on Friday, May 29th. Well, a weak frontal system passed through the mid-Atlantic region last night, lowering our dew points. Much more bearable humidity levels this morning compared to recent mornings. It'll still be on the warm side of normal today in the I-95 corridor, but less humid, mostly sunny skies. Cannot completely rule out a shower or even a thunderstorm west of the big cities this afternoon, but for the most part it'll be a rain-free day, continued warm and less humid compared to recent days. A much more important frontal system will slowly slide across the I-95 corridor from Sunday into Monday. That will bring with it some heavy showers and thunderstorms Sunday into Monday, and noticeable relief in the heat and humidity come Monday. High temperatures very well could be confined to the 60s up and down the I-95 corridor, not only Monday, but Tuesday as well. And then Wednesday looks comfortably mild with high temperatures back up in the 70s. Well, so let's start off by looking at the latest surface map. Here's a weak frontal system that passed through from the north to the south in the overnight hours this fashion, and it has lowered the dew points this morning, much more comfortable. It'll stay less humid throughout the day, although it'll still be warm with mostly sunny skies, but much more comfortable with lower humidity values. Another frontal system out in the central plains that slides to the east and contributes to our rainfall here on Sunday into Monday. That frontal system has some oomph behind it, some cooler air behind it, and we'll see in a moment that we'll be setting up for a low-level easterly flow of air come Monday. Any kind of a flow off the ocean this time of the year will bring in much cooler temperatures, and indeed it'll be much cooler on Monday compared to recent days. Well, here's the latest satellite loop, the visible satellite loop from the Penn State Ewald site. A couple things of interest here. First of all, you can see lots of low clouds and fog in some of the river valleys here in southern New York. Mostly clear skies from New York City across to Philadelphia. There's a band of low clouds here across the D.C. metro region right now, but they'll certainly have plenty of sunshine today. Just to the west of D.C. here in northern Virginia, a rogue thunderstorm. We'll see that on radar in a moment, and that'll be the tendency for the day. There could be some showers this afternoon, primarily west of D.C. and south and west of Philadelphia. But in the immediate I-95 corridor, points to the east, it looks like basically a rain-free day with plenty of sunshine, warm conditions, but noticeably less humid than recent days. Well, here's a current radar loop, and notice this one little rogue thunderstorm well west of D.C. now. It kind of looks like it's starting to slowly dissipate. That should fall apart over the next couple of hours, but there can be an isolated shower or scattered showers west of D.C. and a few scattered showers south and west of Philly later on this afternoon. Certainly cannot completely rule out a shower in those locations, but for the most part, plenty of sunshine, rain-free conditions for today up and down the I-95 corridor. Well, let's take a look at some forecast maps from last night's 0Z GFS model run. We'll look at this evening, Friday evening, and then go 24-hour increments all the way to Monday evening. Again, this evening, there's a little bit of precipitation depicted here by last night's GFS model. Again, mainly to the west of the I-95 corridor. D.C. right in this region right here. Philly basically in the clear. New York City in the clear. Again, cannot completely rule out a shower west of D.C., south and west of Philly later on this afternoon, but basically a rain-free day, warm conditions, and less humid compared to recent days. A strong frontal system, though, is gathering strength out here in the northern plains. That slowly pushes to the east and plays a big role in our weather here in the Mid-Atlantic region on Sunday into Monday. Well, here's the forecast map for tomorrow evening, Saturday evening, and here's that next frontal system. It pushes all the way into the Ohio Valley, and a decent amount of precipitation here in the form of showers and thunderstorms depicted by the GFS model. Still basically in the clear here in the immediate I-95 corridor late tomorrow. For the most part, a rain-free day. Cannot completely rule out a shower or thunderstorm at the end of the day, and certainly tomorrow night there is an increasing chance of showers and thunderstorms, but for the most part this frontal system will cause some rainfall on Sunday into Monday. Let's now jump ahead to the Sunday evening forecast map. And here we go. By Sunday evening, that band of showers and embedded thunderstorms is pretty much centered right up and down the I-95 corridor, with the frontal system sitting right on top of the region and only slowly moving through. Notice strong high pressure here in southeastern Canada comes Sunday evening. That will start to form an easterly flow of air. Winds blow clockwise around high pressure areas, so we have a low level easterly flow of air beginning on Sunday. Anytime you get an ocean flow this time of the year, it'll bring in much cooler conditions compared to a land breeze, for example, and certainly by Monday we will be noticeably cooler up and down the I-95 corridor. So as this frontal system only slowly works its way through the region on Sunday, there can be some heavy rainfall at times, and that threat for heavy rainfall will continue into Monday. Let's now take a look at the Monday evening forecast map. Well, here we go. Big changes by the time Monday rolls around. High temperatures generally confined to the 60s up and down the I-95 corridor. Strong high pressure to the north, promoting a low-level easterly flow of air, perhaps east-northeast or northeast, bringing in much cooler conditions, certainly for Monday, and continued cool on Tuesday as well. Still, a band of showers and embedded thunderstorms up and down the I-95 corridor on Monday. Potential exists for some heavy rainfall to continue from Sunday into Monday as the cooler air slowly pushes into the I-95 corridor. Could even have some showers lingering into early Tuesday, but by later Tuesday there should be gradual clearing, with high temperatures again confined to the 60s in most parts of the I-95 corridor. So a big change in terms of temperature for Monday and Tuesday. Beginning on Sunday, it won't be as warm on Sunday either, but the biggest change will be noticeable on Monday and Tuesday. Some potential heavy rainfall in the form of showers and thunderstorms on Sunday into Monday as that strong cool front slowly pushes across the Mid-Atlantic region. Well, that's it for now. For VencoreWeather.com, I'm meteorologist Paul Dorian.